Up for sale, 1955 Ford Crown Victoria, finished in black with white interior. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 55 Ford Crown Vic. It's all black with white interior. The chrome and trim on the car is in beautiful condition. It looks fantastic with the black paint. The stance of the car with the Lakers, the rims they put on it that are super sweet with the white walls. This car's really good looking. It's got a fantastic look, especially with the Continental kit on the back, which not only makes it a little bit longer, makes it more luxurious too. It's got dual exhaust, which are cherry bombs, keystones, which are the wheels, and the big white wall, which are really nice. Again, add to that great look of the car. The front and rear chrome bumpers are in excellent condition. And all the bright work on the car is super nice, especially, I mean, if anything jumps out at me that doesn't look super nice, I'll definitely point that out. But they're all in very nice condition, nice and bright, shiny, and really, really look good. It gives this car a great look, especially, you know, they all had them, but the band that goes over the top, which also goes underneath. Again, beautiful design on this car. It's an older restoration, so the paint has, you know, it shows a little bit of age here and there on the car, but not bad. I mean, I'll point out what I do see, like as always, you know, couple marks here in the paint down there. You know, couple more right there. So it's got its 272 in it, and another cool thing that they did about it, they put, instead of the automatic that this would have come with, they put a 3-speed manual on the floor, so it also gives it this little more fun drive aspect to it, with factory power steering, of course. And it is a nice clean engine compartment, very, you know, factory original looking. And good looking engine compartment too, for sure. So nice and clean there as well. So let's keep going here. There's some marks on the paint in this area here, and I know there's a couple other ones here. You know, being an older paint, you're going to have some blemishes on the car from the years. So I'm not going to go nuts over it, but I'm going to point out, you know, anything major that I do see. And again, you're going to get a couple chips on this one. Oh yeah, a couple chips on the door jamb there, and there's another little chip there. A couple more marks there. It's got the skirts on there. And the Lakers can be taken off if wanted to. And there's a couple chips down there. I would say this piece of trim here is probably one of the older ones on the car. Again, I'm just being, you know, picky with that because the rest of them all look so nice. Another cool thing that I learned about them is that you could actually order this car with a glass sunroof. Now, the bad thing about that is you can't close it, so you're getting beat on by the sun all day long. But that's a very unique option that you could get with the car. It's super cool. Very nice door jambs. Another thing about this, there's no rust anywhere on the body, which is very nice. It's definitely a maintained older paint. Especially seeing how nice a lot of the chrome and trim is on the car. All the interior is in pretty nice condition too. It's very clean. The seats are very, very nice. And if you see here, you got a little bit of pearl. I'm told that this is an original style you could get with the car, which is, you know, again, very pretty, very unique, something that Ford, you know, put in their cars, and it's on there and on the back as well. Let me show you these seats. Really, really nice condition. Even both door panels, both rear door panels, excuse me. And you got that piece of trim in the middle there. Headliners, very, very nice as well. Got the original tag in place. And you got the white painted dash here. Let me zoom out. They put a couple extra gauges in a radio. The radio does work. Put a tack on it, obviously, with the shifting, you know, helps you out if you don't know when to shift. Another thing is all the glass is in pretty nice condition. There's no cracks on them. Trying to think if there's anything else. Carpet's very nice as well. And again, you see the 3-speed down there. Front seat belts. We'll keep going. I don't know if I showed down there, but that's nice and clean too as well. You know, a couple marks here. This chrome is in nice condition. Again, this rear bumper on the back where the Continental kit, that's super nice. Dual exhaust tips are nice. The chrome around the Continental kit, the spare tire, which it does have, is also nice. Let me grab the key real quick and I'll show you the trunk. When I pop that open. See here how I unscrew this. And then this guy tilts. And then this opens up. Nice clean under trunk. The inners of the trunk are super nice as well and nicely maintained. Let me lift the carpet up here. Oh, you get this for your jack, obviously, and if you wanted to put a secondary spare in the trunk. Nice and clean here as well. This guy lift up a little bit. You see a little bit there where the glue is that keeps it down. That's rock solid. Speaking of rock solid, the frame is amazing. Very, very nice. The floors are rock solid as well. And there don't seem to be any patches on any of the floors underneath. And I do have some pictures of that on the ad, and on my website I will have some extra pictures of that as well, because I can only fit so many on the eBay ad at one time. Let's see how I do this again. Here we go. I'll show you this while I'm doing it. Every other Crown Vic I've seen is a two-tone. And I think that's the thing that got me on this car when I saw it, was because it's all black. And I like the black with the white interior. And I love the way all the chrome looks on the car. And the way the car looks with the tires and the wheel combination. I mean, it's a great looking car. There's a little mark right there. And I know there's a little, couple imperfections in the paint, probably like an age thing. And I see a couple more there. Couple more right there, and a little roughness on that edge, but this up here is nice. And it must be this piece of trim right here, this front window piece, because this is the same as the other side. All the other chrome is super, super nice on the car. Chrome and trim. The bright work, I guess, if you want to say. A little mark on the trim there. Let me see here, and I know down here there's a little bit of wear on this corner. But again, I'm not seeing rust bubbles coming through, or definitely no rot. So that's definitely a nice thing that's, you know, definitely been, I'm saying definitely a lot, maintained nicely. A couple more on this lip there, and we'll hop in the passenger side. So, another nice thing, this area is very nicely preserved as well. cool. So we'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check them out. If you have any interest, let us know. '55 Crown Vic, finished in all black with white interior with this little bit of beautiful pearl to it. Factory power steering, factory 272, and they added the 3-speed in it, which again, pretty cool thing to do to the car. Continental kit. See like a couple little marks right there. You see a couple little fine little marks right there. So again, thanks for watching. We will fire it up, and I actually again will hop in the car for the driving in this video to show how fun it is to drive with the shifting. It actually is a very nice running and driving car as well. So here we go. Thank you. All right, here we go. We're going to fire up the 272.
You have to roll your windows out a little bit. I'm dying in here.
Well, it's because it's hot and it's black.
Right?
Imagine if there was a sunroof. We'd be dying.
Oh, look at the headliner. I gotta say, excellent headliner.
I know.
Someone's always got to be.
Ahora, 106.7. Michelob Ultra Pure Gold. Position is right on all they want for known and need. I thought you was a dude and I ain't got nowhere to go.
That was Jim.
Oh, Jimmy?
Oh, that's right. It's got the thing comes with the trans. I keep forgetting. So they put some new gauges along with the new stereo.
Wow.
Hey, fast man.
I know. Oh, did I see it right there?